If your vacuum lifter employs rotating union 15651, use Service Kit 15651SK to replace leaking seals as needed. The kit includes 3 quad rings and 1 tube of plunger lube. This maintenance should be performed by qualified service personnel. Note, it is not necessary to remove fittings to complete the procedure. Remove retaining ring using snap ring pliers and/or other tool. Manually separate the blue section from the rest of the rotating union. If the part does not separate easily, secure the blue section in a vise using soft jaws to prevent marring. Use a mallet and soft punch to tap downward on the center opening of the union. Continue tapping until separation is achieved. Use a non-scratching O-ring pick or similar tool to remove the 3 existing O-rings from the blue section's narrow grooves. Note, avoid scratching the inside surface of the blue section. Otherwise, sealing may be negatively affected. Note, the blue section also has wider grooves for airflow. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the rotating union. Note, use alcohol, solvent, or another mild cleaner to help remove grease and dirt. However, some grease may remain in the narrow grooves. Apply a small amount of the supplied lubricant to each quad ring. Install the 3 supplied quad rings in the narrow grooves. On the rotating union's base section, apply a light coating of the supplied lubricant to the raised areas where the seals ride. Reinstall the blue section on the rotating union. Note, the upper bearing of the blue section may slide slightly upward when reinstalled. If this happens, press the bearing further into the blue section to ensure access to the groove for the retaining ring. Reinstall the retaining ring. Thank you for choosing Wood's Powr-Grip products.